Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Monday, July 29th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. Corn held a support level once again today, though you're getting to a point where you're asking a lot of corn here to continuously be holding support lines. You are closed about 5 cents off the low from the day. Hit a low of 4.22 on December corn and closed at 4.27. So you did see that support line hold, but to be honest, there's just not a whole lot in the bull's hand right now until we get to USDA August 12th crop report, hopefully seeing lower acre number from USDA. Until then, you have weather and export sales driving the force. Well, weather, there's not a lot of threats out there. A lot of areas got rain over the weekend. Some of the drier areas of Iowa and Illinois got a shot. Not enough to really satisfy them, but you actually eased a little bit. So there's just not a lot to really push this market, that we're probably stuck in a little bit of a rut until we get closer to that August 12th report. What you'll be watching the most is weather. We had inspections that were very good for corn and soybeans here today, which was nice to see, but honestly we're a ways back and need to be doing better than that for the corn market. Even though it was a good one, we need to continuously be shipping out a lot of corn at this point to meet USDA's number. And then we'll be watching what happens between the US and China. They are meeting face to face here tomorrow. And typically we've seen USDA, or we've seen China come in here and make some private sales prior to meeting, good faith measures. The market will be watching to see if we can get that. But like I said, the face-to-face meetings between China and the US will be happening over the next couple days, and all eyes will be on that as well. So corn market up 2.5 today, soybeans up 2.5 as well. Wheat complex got the biggest run off really no hard news out there. Inspections were actually kind of poor for the wheat market, but anywhere from 4.5 higher in Minneapolis or in Kansas City to 8 higher in Minneapolis. When you flip over to the meat markets, you found some selling pressure here. It hit a kind of a resistance point, which was expected to see. You've had cash trades be strong on both cattle and hogs, with the futures finding that kind of that 50% retracement and stalling out there and getting that little bit of a pullback. So live cattle down about 45 cents, feeders just over $1 lower, lean hogs anywhere from $1.50 to actually $3 lower in October. So you are seeing that selling pressure, that profit taking just a little bit over there. Outside markets quiet. So like I said, we'll be watching to see what happens between the US and China and see if you get any news out of that. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and options, as well as risk loss, and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.